In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pop-up form in HubSpot. Now to do this, first you want to go to your dashboard, and then over here on the left, you want to hover over marketing and you want to click on CTAs. Now when you click on CTAs, it's gonna kind of open this window over here, and if you want to create a pop-up, you can see over here it says calls to action CTAs, and you have the pop-up over here. So we can simply go ahead and use this template over here. You could also go and choose like slide in over here if you want to, or something else. I'm just gonna go with a pop-up, but you have like 44 more templates if you click on over here, and you can go and pick the one you want. Of course, you could also create with AI if you wanna. I'm just gonna pick this pop-up because that's what the video is about. When you use a template, you then have to edit this over here, so it's going to open the editor where you can see that's going to be your kind of basic one, and I can just go and click on add, and as you can see I can add different modules like dividers, forms, countdown timers, etc. So if you're looking for a pop-up form, you want to simply click and drag and drop it like down here, for example, and there we go. You can just go and select your form. Any of the forms you may have, I don't actually have any, so you can just create a new one, or you can go and of course change this. You can add headings, you can go and type in different things, change images by clicking on here and changing them on the left. All of these things can be edited either by double clicking in here and changing them up top, or you can just click on a specific block and edit it over here on the left. For now, let's focus on this form because we're making a pop-up form. So I'm going to click on here. I'm going to go and create a new form, and then I'm just going to give it a name like pop-up, for example, and click on create. Now, when you do this, you can then go and add fields, like for example, email. You can add another one. I'm going to add, for example, let's do company name like this, and a new one, which is going to be, let's do country region, okay? Of course, you can make it whatever you want. You can do submit, you could do whatever. Here you have like a bunch of different settings. You can go through these and you can go and enable things. You can change them, customize it, change the styling, etc. And then when you're done with all of that, you can go to the preview tab up top right. And if the preview looks good, which in my case it actually does, that's what I wanted to do, you can then go and of course copy the link, or you could go back and you can review and publish it. And there we go. As you can see, you're going to get some errors, which means you basically have to fill out all these things. So you have to add module, and whenever it's of course edited, it doesn't have to have warnings. So if it has warnings, it means you can't actually post it yet, but of course you have to fix these, and when you do, you'll be able to then preview and publish kind of your pop-up, okay? So that's how to make a pop-up form. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.